If you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how much YouTube paid me for 100,000 views on one of my YouTube faceless channel. You're going to be looking at the impressions, you're going to be looking at the insight, and also I'll be giving you tips that you can also use for your own channels. Now, if you're coming across my channel for the first time or you're seeing this face for the first time, my name is Divine Kennedy, and on this channel I share with you smart ways and strategies to start and scale your online business. So you want to subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you're not going to miss out on any of our content, and of course, with any further ado, let's proceed into the video. Now, before diving into this video, it's very important to know that there are factors that will determine if you earn more or earn less from YouTube. And one of that factors is number one, the location. Now, different countries have their own unique RPM, which is revenue per month per 1,000 views. That is how much you get paid per 1,000 views. The earnings vary depending on the country that you're currently in or depending on the country that you're currently targeting. Alright. Number two factor that can determine how much you can earn on a single video is how long people are willing to watch that video. If people watch your video more ads is going to pop up, and definitely you're going to make some money. If people watch your video less, you're going to actually make less money on that video. So when creating video or when creating content, either faceless or personal content, you need to put this in mind that your content needs to be engaging so it can attract audience retention, so they watch from the beginning to the end, and of course the earnings comes up. So let's dive into my screen, and of course let's check out this video together. So right here guys, you can see that this video has 105,379 views since it was published on my faceless channel, right? And let's take a look guys. This video generated 8.2 thousand watch time hours on its own with 1.4 thousand subscribers. Only a video generated 1,400 subscribers and still counting to date, right? So if you can check now, real time, last 24 hours is currently still generating some views. You can see the top traffic sources, browse features, suggested video, YouTube search, other YouTube features, direct or unknown. Now let's take a look at the metrics of this video. So right here guys, you can see this video, I think it was uploaded on 21st of May, right? First 6 hours it was at 15 views. First 14 hours it was at 35 views. First 20 hours it was at 122 views. First day 350 views. Right, the first day it did 350 views. This is to show you that even when you post the content, it can still do well eventually in the future. All you have to do is to focus on posting high quality content. Just post high quality content, of course it can just pick up on its own. Now let's proceed. You can see first day 6 hours it picked up to 2,190 views. Picked up again, still that first day on 9,786 views. First day 21 hours it picked up to 18,240 views. You see how the content was flying. Then first day let's say 2 days you go to 20,000 views. Let's check out the first 5 days, and the first 5 days the content was already at 58,058 views. Wow, that was what it did in the first 5 days. Right, so if you keep on scrolling right now, you can see that it has been generating views over and over again. And of course, you can see first 14 days, it has already done close to 100,000 views, which is 96,396 views. So like I said, make sure to post high quality content on YouTube and that video will pick up. Just give it time, of course, and make sure it is a quality content that people can watch. Right, so you can see now it's at 105,379 views, which I know is going to also go up to 200 or 300k. Right, it's just everything is a process. That is why you need to trust the process. Now let's take a look at the reach. This video has reached 1.1 million people. The impressions, that means over 1.1 million people have seen this video, but only 100 and something thousand people choose to watch. Now this is where the 1% conversion comes into play. For every 1 million impressions, you can get at least 100,000 views. For every 100,000 impressions, at least from that video you can get 10,000 views. So use the 1% conversion to calculate, okay, if the video is really doing well or it's not. And let's take a look at the impressions click-through rate. It is 7.2, which good. Now let's scroll down and check out how viewers actually find this video. How do viewers actually find this video? You see, they found it through browse features. 56% found it through browse features. 36.3% found it via suggested videos. Direct or unknown, 2.3%. Other YouTube features was 1.8%, YouTube search 1.6%. So now these browse features, you need to update high quality thumbnail, because with high quality thumbnail, people can see your videos on the homepage and they'll be prompted to want to watch. Alright, this is where all these things comes into play. So I hope you're taking a jotter and a pen and you're also taking notes, right? So you can check it out, impressions and how they led to watch time. So the impressions was 1 million, views from impressions was 74.9 thousand, and the watch time for impression was 6.6 thousand. So let's take a look at the engagement. So you can see the average video duration for this video is 4 minutes 40 seconds. That is the average video duration for this video. So also right here guys, you can see the graph. Now if you study this graph, you can see first day this video was uploaded, it got 30.7 watch hours. Now let's check the second day. The second day it got, I think, 1,877 watch hours, and till now, of course, it is currently still doing well. Now let's take a look at the audience that is currently watching these videos. Now if you scroll, you can see watch time for subscribers: subscribed 0.5, non-subscribed 99.5%. So apparently non-subscribers just watched this video, right? And if you check out the device type that they're using mobile phone 59.7%, TV 22.5%, computer 13%, tablets 4.7%. And let's take a look at the top geographies that's actually watching this video: United States, United Kingdom, Canada, South Africa, Australia. You can see these are top tier countries. These are top tier countries that's currently watching these videos. So at the end of the day, you need to know who you're targeting, the country that you're targeting. Alright, then you can see age and gender: male 97.3%, female 2.7% that actually watched this video. And you can see the age ratio. I think 45 to 54 years actually like this content a lot, so they're the ones that watched it the most. Now guys, it is time to see how much this video actually made me in a short period of time. So are you ready guys? I need our drum rolls. Okay, let's do that. The earnings I've made from this video so far is a whooping $767.42. Now let's actually check out how the earnings grew. So the first day, this video made me $1.75. Like I always say, trust the process. Trust the process. So if I see this result in the first, I'll be like, ah man, this result is bad. But all you have to do, like I've been saying since this video, upload high quality content, and of course you're going to see some results. Then the second day, this video made me $148. Third day, it made me $260. Fourth day, it made me $356. Right now, I think this is almost a month. It's made me almost $800. And right here guys, you can see earnings by ad type. I actually earn via skippable video ads, display ads, non-skippable video ads, bumper ads, and of course that is the earning type. Alright my wonderful YouTube family, so there you have it. This is how much YouTube paid me for 100,000 views. And let me know if the pay is actually worth it or if it's small in the comment section. And of course, all your questions, please leave it down in the comment section. And let me leave this closing message with you. Now, if you're a new YouTuber and you're trying to grow on the YouTube space, number one, you should know this. YouTube is a search engine, and of course there are lots of people coming every day to search for different topics. So you need to pick up a niche that people are always searching for. You need to start making videos that is in demand, that people want to see. Now that is actually going to help with your growth on your channel. Number two, I know a lot of people have been telling you, be consistent, be consistent, be consistent. Well, in as much as you're consistent, please, for your own good, be consistent doing the right thing. Alright, don't be consistent doing the wrong thing, or don't shop for I just want to shop. Actually shop because you want to make progress. Have this believer's mindset. And of course, we've come to the end of this video. This is bye bye for now. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.